Nestled in a mountainous landscape characterized by rolling hills and rocky outcrops, the refuge is positioned subtly yet firmly on one of these hills. It opens towards the nearby pine forest while orienting itself to capture the distant profile of the Great Sierras of Sierra. Designed to support and initiate the new subdivision 14 Leguas, the refuge serves as a welcoming and secure space for visitors and locals to experience and enjoy the evolving area. A visible reinforced concrete structure, serving both as a support and a finishing element, along with two large main beams, upholds a metal roof that, resembling a hang glider, extends over the landscape, sheltering the entire program underneath it.